This time I decided to learn the card spring. This trick is an iconic card flourish in which you shoot cards from one hand to the other. I have never tried this in my past. Let's see how much time it's take me to learn this cool skill, starting from now. Let's do this. Okay, cool. That's good. On a day one, I tried for about 20 minutes intuitively, but I messed up cards, throwing my cards to the weird directions. Dozens of times I try, but everything wrong. So after 40 minutes failing, I researched the step-by-step technique. Chris Ramsey actually teach this trick technique pretty well. The first step is holding the card. Previously, I hold cards like this, which is completely wrong. We need to hold the card deck from top with our index finger and from bottom with our thumb. Make sure to hold both side card deck from corner like this. Yeah, this technique is good. So my goal is to spring the card along fluid without dropping a single card. This is really hard to spring the card along and fluid like professional magician like Chris Ramsey. But the hardest part is picking up the cards from the ground. Hundreds of times I collect these cards. I'm tired. But thanks to my nephew, he helped me to pick up the cards. The card deck is bent inward after applying pressure, but not apply too much or too little pressure. After applying right amount of pressure, squeeze cards and release the card from the thumb, not from the index finger. This is the right way. We need to develop enough muscle memory to do this trick. I hold the card deck with my right hand, which is my dominant hand, and catch the cards with my left non-dominant hand. The catching hands look like this, a trap for cards to easily catch the cards. I found this position is much better. I easily catch the cards. If you don't push cards with your index finger, use middle finger on top of the index finger like this to push cards from the top. Slowly release a card from the thumb. Sometimes I spring cards like this, spring and stop, and again spring, which is not good, but after more practice, I fix this. So finally, after 2 days practice, my card spring is better and it's look really smooth and fluid. But I need a long spring. Right now my both hand is close together. But every time when I try long spring, I throw cards everywhere. Cards is everywhere. Long spring is really hard to do. When I separate my hands, the card is not going directly into my second hand and I can't catch the cards. So cards going to the different direction and I can't catch all the cards. During practice, my phone slipped from my hand and the screen was broken. The right technique is when you spring the cards, your hands are close together and then slowly you need to separate them. And when your card deck is about to end, close both hands together. So that's the theory. But when I try this, I throw some of cards to the other way, not catching all the cards. I'm sure it takes some time to do a long, fluid and smooth card spring without dropping any card. So today I'm stuck. I can't do the card spring and I'm so tired. So let's try tomorrow. So on the next day, I try to complete this trick. I give everything to finish this skill. I know good things come after many time failure. If I squeeze too much the card deck, the cards will shooting fast and hard to catch. If you don't apply enough pressure, cards simply fail from the deck one by one, which is totally wrong. The more I practice, I understand the perfect amount of pressure I need to apply. So after 5 days of practice and thousands of cards picking up, I see some good result. Just lost one. And after more 1 hour practice, this happened. Now my card's spring is consistent, perfect, fluid, smooth and long. Believe me, this trick is absolutely looks so amazing, especially in a slow-mo. Okay, check out the sound of the card spring. It is hard to catch the card while released from index finger. Cards going a little upward if compared to the thumb release, but with practice I can catch cards after releasing from the index finger. Anyway, card spring skill was so amazing and satisfying. I'm really happy if Chris Ramsey comment on my video and appreciate my effort and rate my this skill. So share this video and go to Chris Ramsey's social accounts. Ask him to check my video. Like, subscribe and check out my channel for more awesome cool skills. I see you in the next video with a new skill. Bye.